Hi, 8th graders. We are going to do a translation on a coordinate plane, and our goal is to see if there's any sort of rhyme or reason that is happening with our points, looking for those same sort of patterns that we looked for when we did reflections and rotations. We're going to look for those same sort of patterns in terms of translating a shape up, down, left, and right. So we have this shape ABC here. It's a nice little triangle. We are going to look at translating it down 3 units and to the right 4 units, and then we're also going to look at it translating it up 2 units to the left 4 units. We're going to look at it hopefully fairly clearly. It looks like I'm going to have a little bit of muddling here already. I see it already. So we have ABC. Let's first start by translating it down 3 units and to the right 4 units. So if I'm translating it down 3 units to the right 4 units, that means every single one of these points is going to follow that same translation. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 units to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to mark that new point, and I'm going to mark it as A prime. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with B. It's going down 1, 2, 3 to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to mark this new point B prime. Same thing for C. Down 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to mark this new point, C prime. After I've done that, I'm going to connect these dots, and I'm going to connect them as cleanly as I can. So I might as well use my little angle ruler to maintain a little neatness. And I have now my new triangle, A prime, B prime, C prime. And if I look at these coordinate pairs, let's see if we can compare them. So A is positive 2, negative 2. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. C is, goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down negative 4. So looking at this, looking at the rhyme or reason to this, I don't see very much relationship here. It's not like I can say x became negative x or y became negative y or anything like that, like I have been able to with the reflection and rotations. But what I am seeing is this x value, negative 2, became positive 2, so I added 4 to it. 1 became negative 2, so I subtracted 3 from it. Negative 3 became 1, added 4. Negative 2 to negative 5, subtracted 3. So added 4, subtracted 3 every single time. So I'm adding 4 and then subtracting 3. So my x values, I added 4 to them. My y values, I added 3. So for this one, my rule, x, y, became x plus 4, y minus 3. Now let's see if we have a similar sort of rhyme or reason to this next one. I'm going to do the same thing to this one, except I'm translating up 2 units and I'm going to the left 4 units. So that means A becomes up 2 units to the right or to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's my new A double prime point. B up 2 units to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. B double prime. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes with this. Up 2 units, 1, 2, to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. C double prime. And I'm going to do the same thing, connect these dots so it's nice and cute. Straight lines. It's nice to be organized when I can be. It's nice to be precise when I can be, if I can do it quickly, which I kind of can, I guess. Now A becomes A double prime, so A double prime, that new point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 3. It is back 6 to positive 3. Okay, B double prime became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, or that is negative 7, 0. C double prime is negative 1, 1. So now if we look at these points, hopefully there's a rhyme or reason to this. It doesn't look like it's that plus 4 minus 3 sort of thing, but negative 2 to negative 6, That's subtracting 4. 1 to 3, adding 2. Look at this. Subtracting 4, adding 2. Negative 3 to negative 7, subtracting 4, negative 2 to 0, adding 2. Subtracting 4, adding 2. So it looks like plus 2 minus 4. This time, if I look at this, my xy became x minus 4, y plus 2. So it looks like while I can't write the same sort of xy becomes negative xy or xy becomes y negative x or anything like that, I can't do quite that sort of pattern. What I can do is I can use these translation rules, going up 2 to left 4 or down 3 to the right 4, and I can translate those into my coordinate pairs. So xy, to show that I'm going to the right 4, I'm going to add 4 to that x. To show that I'm going down 3, I'm going to subtract 3 from my y values. I can do the same thing here. To show that the x is moving to the left 4, I'm subtracting 4 units from that. For the y, to show that it's going up 2, I'm adding 2 units. So that's the big idea that we need to take away from this, that our xy points are not going to follow the same like super rigid pattern as reflections or rotations, but we can translate, like verbally translate, going up 2 units into our y values, or going down or going left 4 units into our x values in that capacity. It's kind of fun. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. There is one more video after this, and I will see you later. Bye.